Victoria, riding their bikes down the street. Front wheel wobble, laughing at the heat. Blue laces flying, caps pull low, trying to beat the sun before it goes. They cut past the corner by the corner store, basket full of chips, one and one more. Knees all dusted, heart so light, taking little turns like it feels just right. And the world goes slow when they roll like that, side by side, no looking back. Casey and Victoria, rolling through the town. Casey and Victoria, no one can slow them down. Wind in their hair, laughing out loud. Casey and Victoria, on the road right now. Crosswalk blinking, they don't mind. A little race just to kill some time. Shane on the tune of a summer song, pedal after pedal, both moving strong. They wave at the kid on the mailbox step, wave at the dog with the white patch chest. Every turn feels like a brand new start, two bright sparks with fearless hearts. And the world goes slow when they roll like that, side by side.